The perfect Colorado lifestyle involves easy access to multiple outdoor amenities. This amazing home, located in the incredible community of Cordera, offers just that. There's easy access to trails, storybook parks, pools, open space, and so many amenities that you'll love. There's a lawn that they hold concerts on, and to top it off, this gorgeous home has multiple outdoor living spaces with incredible mountain views. Welcome to 10091 Coyote Song Terrace. This home has about 4,000 square feet. There's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3-car garage. It's main level living. I can't wait to show you more. The open floor plan is light, bright, and so inviting. You'll notice the high ceilings, so many windows, abundant light, and of course, incredible views. The space has so many options for use. There's 2 areas that could be used for sitting rooms. There's one that could be a dining room. There's a nook off of the gourmet kitchen as well. The beautiful upgraded kitchen is a perfect place for the chef to make those delectable culinary treats. You'll also enjoy entertaining here, and it opens to the main living area as well. The primary suite is spacious, and it's the perfect place to escape and recharge your batteries. I love this double-sided fireplace that can be enjoyed from the bedroom as well as the spa-like bathroom. Look at the large soaking tub, the shower with a bench. This room is gorgeous. The walkout basement offers a completely separate living space. You'll love how big the rec area is, and there's so many options for use. There's also 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom, and you can head directly out these doors to enjoy the covered patio and a private backyard. The backyard offers a privacy fence, and there's even an additional sitting area and an in-ground trampoline. Incredible master plan community on the north end of Colorado Springs. There are trails, storybook themed parks, a renovated clubhouse pool with splash zone, and a new 3-lane lap pool. It's located in award-winning School District 20 and right off the Powers corridor, so you'll have easy access to entertainment, restaurants, shopping, and healthcare. You're also minutes from Monument, Black Forest, easy access to Denver, and of course located in beautiful Colorado Springs.